followed by the rain cloud. My clothes are soaking up the pain that keeps pouring down. Too much more and I may drown. I'm being followed by the night sky. It stole away my sight. It seems I have lost my way. I need someone to be my guide. Listen to my voice. Close your frightened eyes. Hide behind my love for you. Fear's only a choice, one that we all must make someday. So no, you're not alone in this. I'm sick and tired of these rain clouds. A single day with cloudless skies would surely make a change. And a friend whispering it'll be alright. Listen to my voice. Close your frightened eyes. Hide behind my love